At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Two members of a Strathbogie, Westmoreland family died as a result of injuries sustained in a motor vehicle collision on the 3 Mile River Main Road early this morning. Dead are 21-year-old Omario Brown and Javel Brown. According to reports from the Frome police, about 1:40 a.m., Omario was driving a Toyota Oxio motorcar along the roadway with Javel aboard. Detectives say initial investigations indicate that Omario lost control of the vehicle, which ran off the road and collided with an ackee tree. Wow. Wow. My wisdom warriors. Wow. I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. Deputy General Secretary of the People's National Party, PNP, Nikisha Burchell, says the party's caretaker for Southwest St. Anne's, Danishka Williams, is equipped to provide better representation than has been given to the people by Member of Parliament Xavier Main. So Burchell says the people of Southwest St. Anne's deserve someone of the calibre of Danishka Williams. So, now hear that, my wisdom warriors? So, PNP massive, welcome Danishka Williams. Okay, she will be challenging JLP Xavier Main. See her there? Wanna see her? She nice and clean. Hey, way, my wisdom warriors. Fully active, PNP fully active. May I tell you, no man? Just look at the type of people they choose. Just look on the type of people Mark Golding put. Just look. May I tell us that them full of knowledge, them well equipped and full of knowledge, my wisdom warriors. Anyhow, may I bring on straight over in a Ministry of Labour. So the Ministry of Labour and Social Security is now locked in a meeting with the leadership of the Jamaica Medical Doctors Association after junior doctors across the public health sector calling sick this morning. The Ministry of Health and Wellness has advised that the public health facilities across the country have begun to operate under emergency protocols as junior doctors have called in sick. Lord Jesus, una cannot do without the doctors. Whether them are senior doctors, whether them are junior doctors, una cannot do without them. Look from when them are asked for meet with Uno. Pernell Charles. Hello? Pernell Charles. Remember say you there so you know. We know say you run there so. Shinehead boy. Shinehead boy. What you have to do you now do? Look from when the doctor them are asked to meet with them so they can solve this money business. And this the labor right them say a prosperity. This the labor right them say a prosperity. Remember so we health come first, you know. Remember so we health come first. To only you know a wealth come first. Pernell Charles, are you may a chat to? To you and Andrew Onless and Christopher Tufton. A wealth come first, not health. You understand me? But as if we the Jamaican people, our health come first. So, listen to me now. Without the doctors, them. Yeah? Without the doctors, them. Listen to me. We need the doctors. So, if you don't pay the people, them the money, pay them. You don't use money and I pay for unoccupied building, empty building, how much million of dollars, but yet you cannot pay on the public sectors. What can go so? What can go so? I don't understand, Uno hype every day. Uno go down at the conference and hype and show off. But look what is happening now. This never happened in a history yet. So when me hear Uno talk about emergency protocols, shut up on a blouse and skirt. Because if Uno not have doctors, dog name with breakfast, with lunch, with dinner, and with supper. Let me tell you now, straight. So when Uno talk about emergency protocol, Uno begun to operate under emergency protocol. Uno lied. Because uno need these doctors. Uno need these doctors and uno need to start pay the people them good. Yes, the people them need to get good pay. Imagine, uno fi compensate them and all now. Uno fi give them money all now, uno can't give them money. That's what uno do with the teacher them. That's what uno do with the teacher them. Have them a go round. Have them run and run like a merry-go-round. Me box cover. Uno wicked, you know? Uno wicked. My wisdom warriors, here were some of the people them saying in the comment section about this, because a lot of people is not happy about it. So hear this. So this person wrote, the doctors called for a meeting for months. Why did we have to wait until they took action to decide on meeting with them? When you hear that? This gentleman is asking Christopher Tufton and Andrew Holness this question, because remember, you know, so Andrew Holness oversee every department, so we have to call in him. Every department. Remember, say Andrew Holness stand up and talk about health, crime, and the rest. Remember, him always go up on public platform and attack. So we know now, say him oversee all department, so we have to call in him. So this gentleman is asking this question. The doctors asked for a meeting months ago. Remember, my wisdom warriors, me come and me talk about it. Remember, so me talk about it and me say me no feel sorry for them. You remember? Alright. And me say me no know why them a give Andrew Holness blight. If I did we the citizen, Andrew Holness now give we. Don't it? Right. So this gentleman now want to know why. You understand? Want to know why when the doctor them ask for a meeting, Labour of Ministry never get up. But you know what, my wisdom warriors? The only thing them respond to is when you strike. I wonder if Jamaican people watch what go on. The only thing they respond to is when you strike. When you come together. When you unite. Remember, you know, when somebody strike, you know, when the people them strike, you know, a unity, they say, you know, I want to just read between the lines, you know, my people. Anyway, this other person stated, watch prosperity. See, this person, when he journey, said, watch prosperity. And this are the prosperity them want. And this are the prosperity Labour right want. And another individual say, slackness and the snail pace reaction to the outcries is indicative of the fact that the authorities care zero. We continue to take our professionals for granted in this country. And I totally agree with this man, Will Ryan Wilson. I totally agree with him. Because true nobody nah strike and them something there. That's why them take the peace. Because guess what? Uno nurses and uno doctors are ramp with Andrew Holness. Uno no see how much money missing. Hello? Uno no see how much money missing. My viewers and subscribers, uno no see what go on. Doctors, nurses, public sector workers, uno no see what is going on. Uno no see how much million. Uno no see Jamaica rich. Uno no see Jamaica rich. Then one man cannot wash money through 28 account. Uno no say what go on. Or uno no believe. Uno ramp with Andrew Holness. Or when Andrew Holness raise uno pay to 15,000. Uno joke with Andrew Holness. Hey, Jamaica rich. Andrew Holness a take away the whole of the money. Him and that the one there, land thief. Yeah, and that them a do. We need to stand up to these people. We need to stand up, because if we not stand up soon, then soon start push we off our land. Me I tell you no. And take we out of business. As so then deal with the poor people, you know. As so then deal with the poor people, you know, my wisdom warriors. As so them deal with them, you know. You know, see. Remember, you know, when it's also lock off the poor people area, you know, the rural area, what them do? They lock down the area and say no business place can open. But yet when you look, KFC open, Burger King open. Talk no man. Talk to me. That's what me I try show you. Wanna see what me I try show you, my wisdom warriors? So we stand firm and we unite, because listen, once we come together, then nobody tests. Government and Holness badness can't ramp with we once we unite. Uno know that, uno see. From uno strike, that means that everybody come together. Uno see that, my wisdom warriors. So a time for we to stand tall. A time for we stand tall. Chairman of the Integrity Commission, retired Justice Seymour Panton, has again lashed out at those he says are seeking to dismantle the commission and undermine its work. Justice Panton says there are people in society whom he labeled mature adults who are trying to dismantle the commission instead of supporting its efforts to lessen corruption. Let me tell you something, IC chairman. You know that, but me know certain things you can't come out and talk. You understand? But guess what now? You see a scammer? A scammer will never stop until them reach to the top. You understand me? When you see these mature adults coming out, yeah? You know, and a defend Andrew Holness for dismantle the IC. You fi just know say them a thief too. Them a thief too. You understand? We don't even know where them a thief. But anybody where you say I support corruption, my wisdom warriors, anybody where you say I support corruption, them a thief. Me I tell you no straight. Them a thief. Them have evil heart. You understand? And I like say them a get some of the money, you know. Just imagine if them did I get some. Me rotted. Just imagine if they did I get some. These people don't want to see Jamaica strive. They don't want to see Jamaica strive, and they don't want to get rid of corruption. You understand? Because through them thief, they must say, you know what? The Prime Minister a thief, you know. And me a thief. And this a thief. And that a thief. You understand? So they must say, boy, me have to support Andrew Holness, you know, because them a thief. You get what I mean? So the whole of them where you see I support Andrew Holness, them a thief. Andrew a thief from poor people. And who them a thief from? We don't know who them a thief from because truth for them file no out. You understand me? But them a thief. You get me? This is why they are supporting Andrew Holness. Why wouldn't you want corruption to remove from your country? Why you want to dismantle an act that is prosecuting thieves, you know, people that is enriching themselves, stealing donation money, charity money. Come on, stealing taxpayer money to enrich themselves. Listen, Andrew Holness is not a normal man, you know. Andrew Holness is a businessman, you know. Andrew Holness, I don't know, Prime Minister, you know. He only use the jacket suit and a trick way, and the Prime Ministership and a trick way. Andrew Holness, a long time Andrew Holness a thief. A long time him a thief. You understand? And everything I got played out. Everything. Because when I hear this man, I ask the judge for struck down section 14, I was shocked. I cannot believe a man like Andrew Holness is doing something like that. Where him say him come from a humble this and humble that. Everything you hear people chatting follow and don't even understand the meaning of humble. Everything you hear people saying follow. Seriously, you hear we learn some talk about wilderness. You hear them come out and talk about wilderness. Everything you blogger them talk, you see take it up. Everything, my wisdom warriors. Seriously, you hear talk about if Jamaica will to him. If Jamaica did will over to his grandmother, he come and follow talk your mind and say, Mark Golden are going like Jamaica will over to him. Andrew Holness. In thief, everybody talk. In thief, Andre talk. Lord Jesus. My wisdom warriors, this man sit down and watch a blog of them and a plan for the blog of them. You don't think a joke thing? That him I do. Yeah, because he don't want the truth to be known. I see ask you how you come by this, how you come by that, how you come by these expenses. The man refuse. And then in a court now I tell them lie. So how I see never give him enough time to provide the information. Come on, Andrew Holness. And then you see him one was saying and they'll write chuck say wanna take how much years to do this. Come on. Wanna contradict on yourself. You understand me? So when I see coming out and I condemn those mature adults we want the IC to be dismantled, I show them a thief. IC Panton, sir, chairman, thank you for your service. Una do a wonderful job I am so proud of you guys. No make no boy and no girl get you down. Them is a set of criminals. And that's why them a behave like that. Because them a thief too, like Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness, yes, a thief from the kitty. But them a do different thiefness somewhere else. That's why you see all of them a defend Andrew. Only a thief defend a thief. You never know that. Only a thief defend a thief, my wisdom warriors. So, me have to applaud IC for coming out and condemning the thief them. Hey, you know some say it in my little terms. You understand? Them come out and say them a condemn the mature adults will want the IC act to be dismantled. But me, I say, IC come out and I condemn the little thief them. Because guess why, you know, IC? We want them to go to prison, you know? We want them to get prosecuted. All you DCP Keisha, me not forget you, you know. Me not forget you, you know, girl. Are you in the way, you know? Are you in the way make Andrew not get charged, you know? You in the way, you need to lift up. You, I told Jamaican people a joke with your girl. You DCP Keisha, when I want to press charges for Andrew Holness because the whole on our labor right. You don't think we don't know? You don't think we don't know what's going on? We know what is going on. Andrew Holness, boy, you should have shape. Hey, boy, you make people laugh at our nice country. Wanna make people laugh at our nice country. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, yeah, and put your opinion in the comment section. Tell me if you agree with the Integrity Commission, because you know me already, me always agree with them. Anything to do with truth and rights, me depend that. Call me name Panny. Anything to do with truth and rights, just say hat for the person who don't love this one here, you know. Right, this so. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I want to like and share out this video. Subscribe to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Go over to my second channel. It is called the PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5K. Tell a friend about Atafa the Press and PNP News Round. Also, my people, when you subscribe, remember to press the notification bell and click all, so when I drop the video them, you get them straight away. Blessings upon blessings. One love.